In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Gmail. If you've ever been concerned about spelling weak spots or grammar issues in your emails, integrating Grammarly with Gmail is a game changer. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can enhance your email communications quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start off by opening Gmail. This is generally our starting point, and most of us already have it bookmarked or set as a favorite. To access Gmail, simply go over to your browser, type in mail.google.com, and you'll be directed right to your inbox. Ensuring you're logged in is key, since it helps make everything smooth as we progress through the following steps. Now that you're inside Gmail, look towards clicking on the Compose button. You'll find this button typically on the top left-hand side of your screen, and it will open a new email window for you. Setting up a blank email in this way is important because for Grammarly to do its magic, it needs some text to analyze. This blank email space will serve as your canvas, allowing you to see firsthand how Grammarly functions. With the email window open, shift your attention to your browser's extensions. If you're using Chrome, these can be found next to the address bar on the top right of your screen. Here, a little puzzle piece icon marks the spot for accessing your list of installed extensions. From this drop-down menu, ensure that Grammarly is set up and open. If by chance you haven't yet installed Grammarly as a browser extension, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store, or the equivalent marketplace for your browser, to do so. Activating Grammarly is as simple as clicking on the Grammarly icon. This step ensures that the extension is ready to provide suggestions for your writing. In the Compose window, you'll find the Grammarly icon typically situated at the bottom. A quick click here and you'll see the Grammarly interface pop up as a sidebar, offering real-time suggestions on any text you write. Start drafting your email, whether it's a short note or a detailed message, and let Grammarly work its review magic. It will offer suggestions for grammar corrections, style improvements, and even tone adjustments to help align with your intended message. If time is a concern, you can use Grammarly's AI feature to generate your email. This can be particularly handy for business communications, ensuring you maintain the right tone efficiently. Experiment with this feature by exploring the options on the Grammarly sidebar. Once you have the suggestions and any generated text ready, go ahead and click Insert. Grammarly will seamlessly blend these improvements or the generated content into your draft, leaving everything smooth and polished. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to add Grammarly to Gmail, ensuring your email communications are accurate and impactful.